This time next month, those who decided to invest in themselves to help their business by learning more about video marketing will walk away with a professionally produced company introduction video that is fully search engine optimized on YouTube and Google on a branded and search engine optimized YouTube channel. A 30-day content calendar with 2025 insights from the social media distribution roadmap with the confidence and capabilities to execute on that calendar. Plus, a 10% coupon with us for the whole year of 2025 and a guest spot on my new show launching in 2025, Tales with Taylor. We want to help more businesses and entrepreneurs successfully and confidently use video marketing to reach their business goals. Save your spot now.